Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. Hey guys, so today I am doing a video for a collab with my friend. She's also has a YouTube channel. Her channel is called JesKay. It's JesKay. I'll put a link for her channel below. So we are doing a collab, and the rules for a collab is that we are going to Dollar Tree and we're going to find some items to make a summer related craft or art project. So we're just kind of picking things up and kind of randomly making something. So I'm going to show you the items that I bought, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do. So I got these mini mums, chrysanthemums, like an orangey color. Orangey yellow. They're really pretty. I like these little squiggly doodads, if you can see them. I got two of these. And then I got sunflowers. And another one of these. Then I got this, it's called a willow wreath. This is a 12-inch diameter. Okay, and then I got this 9-foot burlap ribbon. It's green. I think I'm going to use this. I'm not positive. And then I have this gross grain ribbon, 3 yards, and it's kind of hard to show. It's reflecting off my light. But it's white with like a silvery arrows on there. So I was planning to make a wreath. I was gonna put my flowers in here and then maybe weave some of this ribbon through the wreath. I've not done that before, so I'm just gonna try it out. I might possibly need some glue for the flowers, but I'm thinking I can break off the stems and then kind of feed them in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and I got my stuff kind of ready. And what I started doing, okay, so I took this ribbon and just kind of tucked it in here for now. And I'm just kind of starting to weave it through. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of it off. That's probably long enough. That way I can weave it through without having to bring the whole spool every time. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of, if you can see, there's spaces. Which way did I do this? Okay. Spaces in between the little birch or whatever it's called. So I'm going to go ahead and try and weave it through these little spaces. No really any rhyme or reason. Just thought it would be a pretty little touch on here. Just gonna kind of wrap it. Just wrap it and then find a little space to stick it through. Trying to make it evenly spaced if I can. I'm going to finish and then I'll come back and show you when I'm done. Okay, so my next step is I'm going to be adding my flowers. So sometimes these flowers you can just bend and snap off. If not, you're going to need some kind of wire cutter. But I was thinking I was going to take some of the sunflowers and kind of put them like towards the bottom and then put the smaller flowers around the edges. So we will see. And like I said before, I'm just going to try and stick them in as well. Okay. If you try to do these cut these with regular scissors, it probably won't work. So you do need some sort of wire cutter. Let's see if I can start down here. Might need to cut a little shorter. Go ahead and see, it's about that long right now, about an inch or two. Let's see if I can fit that in here a little better. That's kind of on here for the moment. Once I get some more on there, I'll try and adjust them a little bit better. I'm trying to just get it started. I'll do another one. Maybe I'll try and do 3 in the middle. Let's see. Do another one next to it. It is a little bit harder to push these in here than I thought it would be. Because these little, I can't remember what this was made out of, willow. These are a little bit harder than I thought. So there's that. Let me try one more, get a third in there, and then maybe we'll start working on putting flowers up the side. These things are no joke. One more. I'll try and put this, let's see, on this side. I'm just kind of taking this and trying to stick it in between here. It's tight enough that they should stay, but it is a little bit hard to get them in. Okay, so that looks cute so far. And then I'm going to try and start sticking some of the little ones around the side. Some of these chrysanthemums. These might be a little bit easier to move around. Let's see. So these are kind of flimsy, so I'm going to cut this a little bit longer. Maybe see if I can just see how this works out for a second. That just like fell off. Okay. We'll see how easy these are to put in. And try and just kind of stick them. I was thinking maybe it looked better if those had a little longer. See, that went in easier because the stick isn't so hard on these. Just get a couple of these cut off. Okay, now I got a couple cut off to work with now. So I'm just gonna try and start working some in here. So wherever I can kind of stick them in. Yeah. This might actually turn out cute. I've not done this before. I just kind of saw what I could get at the Dollar Tree and just decided to try it. So hopefully it will turn out okay. Let's stay in here. If you want, you can put some glue in here to keep them a little bit more secure, but as of now, I'm just going to kind of stick mine in here because it seems to be holding them fairly well. Oops, I just ripped that one off. I'll get back in there. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do feel like I'm gonna put one more on each side on the top. Okay guys, so I did not end up using the green burlap. I went ahead and just finished it off with the flowers. So here is my finished wreath. I just did, you saw the ribbon threaded through, and then the sunflowers, and I just finished the flowers all the way around. I think there's 6 on each side and then 1 in the middle. So I think this is a really cute wreath. I would definitely recommend probably using some glue. If you can't get them wedged in here really well, I would definitely recommend glue, especially if you're gonna be putting it on the front door or something like that where it might be moving a lot. So yeah, I would go ahead and try that if you need to. So I hope you like my wreath. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will put JesKay's channel links below. Go ahead and check out her version of the Summer Dollar Tree Craft collab. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my social media links below. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.